Hello, back again, Mandy Shirley, Creative Memories Advisor. I don't know about y'all, but I have a lot of nieces and nephews and I am running out of birthday cards. So today I thought I would show you the new Feeling Bright card kit and show you how cool our card kits are. If you don't have an advisor, I would be blessed and honored if you would pick me. You can shop right here, and I'll also put a link to this card kit in the description. So let's make some cards. Okay, so the cool thing about our card kits, not only do they come in this great box that you can store the finished cards in, they come with directions. You know I like to copy, so here's a bunch of copying for us. You also get a bonus pack of embellishments, so you can use them either on your scrapbook page or make more cards. You also get cards and envelopes. So let's make some cards. The first thing I like to do, and the other cool thing about these card kits, is everything is labeled. So if you'll see, everything has a 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12. So I just put everything in their piles. Okay, and then we can get started. Okay, so here's card number 1. Here's the directions. Adhere 1A to the card base, and then you have a picture. I don't see how much easier this could get. So here's 1A. Got my tape runner. Put that on the base. Then we need 1B, which is this triangle. And they put it over here. Just copying. 1C is this lovely cloud, but it looks like the sun is behind it. Oh, this cloud goes here. There's 2 clouds. So 1C goes here. 1D goes here. And guess what else? We have 1E. We also have foam squares we can use. There they are. Quick and easy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Head over to my Facebook channel or Facebook page to see my schedule events. Some have Zoom options, including my Croptoberfest coming up. And thanks again for watching.